Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up or slow down your video without changing the pitch on KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my KineMaster application, and before I speed up or slow down my video, I'm going to show you the original video. Okay, this is for the original video and I'm going to make it faster. For example, if we want to change the speed, we can click on the video and then click on the speed menu, and for example, I'm just going to make it 2 times faster. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Okay, as you can see that the pitch has been changed, and I'm going to show you guys how we can speed up without changing this the pitch. Okay, I'm going to go to the speed again, and then we can select keep pitch. Okay, and I'm going to play it. Okay, as you can see that the pitch doesn't change. Okay guys, and that's all the way to speed up or slow down video without changing the pitch on KineMaster. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.